Welcome everybody to a brand new video on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see if airguns can shoot through a motor helmet. See how strong this thing is. So let's go! I got this helmet from a friend of mine named Paulo. His YouTube link is in the description down below. Check out his channel, he makes lots of nice videos also about fireworks. That's also one of my hobbies. So take a look at that. I will also link his Instagram down below. And he wanted to see if I could shoot with my airguns through this helmet. And as you know, recently I got a very strong airgun. So that one we will use for the finale. To really see if a helmet is strong enough to save you from an airgun bullet, we will also put a watermelon inside of this helmet. This is the first airgun that we are going to use to shoot on this helmet. Crossman 2240 with 5.5mm airgun pellets. Let's take it to the test, shall we? To really kick this off, we are first going to use 5.5mm flash pellets. These ones explode on target. Okay, ready guys? Here we go. Well, it made a nice explosion. But let's see what the damage is. Impact right there. But did it go through? Absolutely not. Our watermelon is still intact, but it did leave some nice burn marks on there because it's an explosive round, and it did make a nice bang. Next up are the Hornets. These one have a very spitz point, so the penetrating should be a lot better with this one. But let's see if it will penetrate a helmet. Okay, here we go with the Hornet round. Well, I'm glad I had safety goggles on because the bullet ricocheted back to me. So that means we didn't penetrate it. So now we know with this air pistol with 5.5mm that works on CO2 isn't strong enough to penetrate this helmet. But what will a 7.62mm brake barrel airgun do to this thing? This one is also 40 joules. It's a big step up because that pistol we shot right there was about maximum of 7 to 10 joules. This one is 40 joules with a bigger caliber, so more destruction. So let's put a 7.62mm pellet in here. Let's see what this one will do. Here we go guys, ready? Well, I heard the bullet behind me, ricocheting back. I'm not gonna shoot this one again on the helmet because the bullets are flying back to me. But let's see what the damage is. All the paint right there is gone, but the pellet didn't penetrate at all. Our watermelon is still intact. Okay guys, now it's time to bring out the big gun. This is a PCP airgun and it's a 50 caliber airgun. Yes, you heard it right. This one shoots a projectile of .50 caliber. That's insane. This is really powerful. This is as powerful as a real firearm. And if you want to see more about this, like a review, well, the review is in the description down below. Click on a link and you will see the video of that one. And I can assure you, this beast will destroy almost everything. So I think this one will penetrate that helmet and we will see that watermelon explode. Let's take it to the test, shall we? Take it off safety. Are we ready? Here we go. Here we go. Let's take another shot, shall we? Okay, this one did penetrate. Let's see what the damage is. Okay guys, 2 times penetration right there. And the exit wound, well, the watermelon. Gone! Let's take a look at the helmet on the inside, shall we? Well, it came all the way through here. It broke this part open right there. This got out. You can see there is a hole right there, straight through. So now we know airguns can shoot through helmets, as long as it's a strong airgun like this .50 caliber AEA Megalodon. So that was kind of fun. I really wanted to test on how strong a motor helmet is. And now we know that it's not strong enough to withstand a Megalodon, but it's strong enough to withstand some smaller airguns, of course. So motor helmets, of course, are very safe if you drive a motorbike or a scooter or whatsoever. So always, in safety, use a helmet. But don't expect that you will be safe from an AEA Megalodon. That's what we know for sure now. I still hope you liked this video. If you did, then please put a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. I have Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat. The links are in the description down below. And by the way, guys, don't try this at home. I'm a professional. I make these videos for your entertainment and for scientific kind of stuff to figure out if it works or not. And we now know our answer, so you don't have to try it yourself. I will see you guys in the next one. Oi!